Hello friends, welcome to Crafteria. If you are new to this channel, subscribe my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. In this video, we are going to see how to do this beautiful sachet. For this, we are using 3 colors of yarn, crochet hook, cutter and a needle. This sachet looks so cute and beautiful and it is very easy to do. It is a beginner friendly project. To do them, we want to know the basic stitches like slip knot, chain, single crochet and slip stitch. First we will do this bottom part, then this top part, then we will do the side, then we will make this hanging here. Now let's see how to do this beautiful sachet. Start with a slip knot. Do 40 chain. Yarn over, pull through the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. This is what we say it as chain. We are going to do 40 chain. 1, 2, 3. After doing 40 chain, it looks like this. Next, you are going to do a slip stitch in this first chain here. You are going to do a slip stitch, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through the loop and pull through the other loop. So after completing the first round, it looks like this. For next round, chain 1, do 1 single crochet in the same stitch. That is, insert the hook in the loop, yarn over, pull through the loop. You will have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through both the loops. This is what we say it as single crochet. Next stitch, single crochet, insert the hook in the loop, yarn over, pull through the loop. You will have 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through both the loops. Place a stitch marker in this first single crochet. So likewise, you are going to do single crochet in each stitch till you reach the stitch marker. At the end of this round, you will be having 40 single crochet stitches. After doing them, it looks like this. You can finish this round by doing a slip stitch in this first single crochet. For next round, chain 1, do 1 single crochet in the same stitch. Place a stitch marker on that single crochet. Next stitch, single crochet. Next stitch, single crochet. Likewise, you are going to do single crochet in each stitch around till you reach the stitch marker. By following the same pattern of doing single crochet in each stitch, you are going to do for 15 more rounds. So in each round, you should have 40 single crochet stitches. Total you should have done for 16 rounds. After doing them, it looks like this. Chain 1, extend the yarn little bit for weaving and snip off this yarn. Next we are going to join this side. So likewise you are going to join them till you reach this end. After joining them, it looks like this. Next you are going to work on the other side. You are going to join this corner and this corner like this. You are going to work here. So insert the hook, take the yarn, pull through, chain 1, do 1 single crochet on the same stitch. Next stitch, single crochet. Likewise, you are going to do single crochet in each stitch for 18 stitches. After doing them, it looks like this. For next row, turn and do single crochet in each stitch till you reach the last stitch. At the end of this round, you will be having 18 single crochet stitches. By following the same pattern of doing single crochet in each stitch, you are going to do for 20 rows. So in each row, you should be doing 18 single crochet stitches. Totally, you should have done for 22 rows. You have done here 2 rows, so you are going to do for 20 rows. Let's see how it looks after completing them. After doing them, it looks like this. Next, do chain 1 and extend the yarn little bit for weaving and snip off this yarn. So next, you can fold it like this. And you're going to join them here. After doing them, it looks like this. So it will come like this. Next, you're going to start here. Insert the hook in this first stitch here. Take the yarn, pull through, chain 1, do a single crochet in the same stitch. Chain 1, do a single crochet in the next stitch. Chain 1, do a single crochet in the next stitch. So likewise, you are going to do them till you reach this end. That is chain 1 and do a single crochet in the next stitch. After doing them, it looks like this. Next do chain 1 and snip off this yarn. So after doing them, it looks like this. It will come like this. It looks like this. Next we are going to do the hanging. So we are going to do here. So to do the hanging, we have to leave a little bit of long thread in this front here. Insert the hook in this corner. Place the yarn, pull through. Next you are going to wrap the yarn which we left in the front through this hook like this. Bring the yarn which is on the ball and you are going to make a single crochet. That is, you are going to wrap this yarn which we left in the front, bring the other yarn and make a single crochet. You are going to do this for 80 times. So bring this front yarn, wrap it like this and take the next yarn and do a single crochet. So bring the front yarn, wrap it around the hook, next yarn over, pull through both the loops. So it looks like this. You are going to do this for 80 times. After doing them for 80 times, it looks like this. Next you can do chain 1. Next insert it in this same place here. Slip stitch, chain 1 and snip off this yarn. So it looks like this. So after doing them, it looks like this. So if you like this video, like, share, comment this video and also subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. Thank you friends.